Welcome you friends at my YouTube channel. In this video, you know about US dollars equal to Philippine pesos and Philippine pesos equal to US dollar. If you want to daily currency update, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. Dear viewers, today $1 US equal to Philippine peso. $1 US equal 50.80 Philippine peso. $1 US equal 50.80 Philippine pesos. And Philippine peso equal to US dollar. If you want to buy or sell US dollar, you follow these rates. 1 Philippine peso equal to 0.020 US dollar. Like 1 Philippine peso equal to 0.020 US dollar. Dear viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you want to online currency rates, please visit my website. My website link available in this video description. Thanks for watching.